On this channel's Telegram group, I posted two screenshots. As I always do, I update you guys every time I see a change in the market. And I showed you guys, I literally said when we got to 92,500, I said that people are going to be fooled with this. A lot of people are going to get on longing because they assume the breakout above that pattern. But we are not part of those people, and we're not. So that's why I took a short position, and I'm going to tell you why. Before you freak out, before the bulls freak out and say, why are you shorting? As I have said many times, and every time a lot of you guys still ignore this, it's okay. It's up to you. I'm just here to educate you. But if you do not want to be educated, it is up to you. Okay. We have different opinions, and I will respect that. Okay. Every time we hit this white line, when we hit $74,000, it was right when we hit USDT dominance to almost around that level where this white level is. And in all of our bull runs since 2017, end of 2017, we have never broken this white line. Even if we short term, we just broke below and it started pulling back. And for these new subscribers, every time USDT goes down, BTC and crypto goes up. And the opposite. If USDT goes up, Bitcoin is going to go down. That's why you guys see that Bitcoin is still stuck around $92,000, $93,000. That's all it can do. And I said it even on Telegram group. I'm going to go back. I said that we're going to have pumps and downs, and you guys see how crazily we've been going. 3K up, 3K down, 2K up, 1K down. So that's why I said that if you guys are getting into short or long even and play this game with bigger market makers, be careful, okay? Use smaller margins so you do not get liquidated on the way, okay? So that's why I made a short position around $92,071. Okay, and I'm on right now on 231. I could have closed my short position many times on $1,000 profit, but I just keep it open because I think that because USDT is stuck and it's almost on the lowest point where it is almost touching this white line, we're gonna eventually, after going sideways, if you guys remember and you've been subscribed to this channel, I've told you guys I'm gonna expect that we're gonna go up and down for many days. We're gonna go up probably 1 or 2 months. We're gonna go probably 10,000 down, 10,000 up, 15,000 down, 10,000 up. We're gonna see huge zigzags as we saw it in the previous bull market when we hit first $64,000, then even $69,000. So we had a lot of pumps and dumps until we actually topped around 69,000. But I'm going to explain to you why I think it is likely that we're going to see probably even a little bit higher, maybe up to $93,000. It's not guaranteed because USDT dominance is on the lowest point. Now, if I want to go to 4-hour chart to show you in more details, you guys can clearly see the opposite look of it is literally what you see in here. Okay, so you can see it on the lowest point. We hit this white line one time when we hit $89,000 for Bitcoin, and then we went down to, from here we went down to $85,000. We got a little bit of support. We made a new all-time high around 93,500, and USDT is still touching this level. And if you're questioning why we were almost on the same level for USDT, but we made a newer all-time high for Bitcoin, as I said, if you guys remember on BTC dominance, I showed you guys that BTC dominance crashed in here, like dropped, I would say. And because we were seeing a lot of altcoins pumping, and since Bitcoin started going back up on BTC dominance and a lot of altcoins started pulling back, that's why most of the money went back to BTC. And as I have said, even if we go sideways, every time we go back to hit this white line, there's a good chance that the market is going to get bigger because we just made new all-time high, a lot higher than $74,000 that we were stuck for 7 months, over 7 months. And that is good news that we need more money. We need newer, even retail investors, because we need our altcoins to go up, right? And as I have said it, I am still owning my altcoins no matter where Bitcoin is going. And I'm going to explain to you where my targets are if you are shorting BTC. And as I said, none of these are financial advice. I just share with you on Telegram group what I'm doing, okay? So right now, there is still a good chance that for USDT dominance, and I'm going to show you for BTC as well, we get rejection in this 4-hour candle, okay? So we hit this level and start going down, crashing for USDT. As I said, we're going to probably go a little bit higher, up to $93,000 or $94,000. That's the max I would expect, okay? 500 max, okay? And then once we hit this level, we're going to most likely around 4.17%, and I'm going to put this in here so you can remember what the percentage is in here, okay? Right here, 17%, I mean 4.16%. And then we're gonna probably, most likely in my opinion, guys, none of these are financial advice, but this is what I can expect. And if you're asking why we're gonna probably go up to 4.55%, I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna switch this to daily candle, and I'm gonna tell you why I told you that I'm long in Bitcoin when USDT was around here. So I'm not only shorting, I have showed you many times. If you go to Telegram group, it's a free channel, okay? 401 of you guys are here. Some of you guys even leave this channel, although I give you valuable. People are getting free signals in here. Although these are not signals, this is just what I'm telling you and literally what happens, okay? But you can go ahead and join and just go review what I have said and what happened. Do your own research on this channel, okay? But I'm going to tell you that there's a good chance that we go a little bit higher. A lot of people are going to make this line, obviously. You're going to probably see some of the YouTubers are going to put this line. And I even said it when I had this line right here. I said that a lot of people are going to get fooled because they are making this line after breaking above all these wicks. We broke above, and when we made this huge green candle right here, I can show you guys. Right here, I said that this is gonna fool a lot of people, okay? I want you guys to pay attention. Around 92,500, although we broke above these resistance level and it got a support and started going higher, I said a lot of people, just because you have been watching too much YouTube and too much patterns, that when we go above, we do a pullback and start going higher. Not necessarily all of them are going to work like that, okay? Let me tell you about that, okay? So that's why I said although we broke above, a lot of people got into longs around that price, and I actually shorted Bitcoin, okay? So make sure that you guys are not just being naive with what you see in the charts, because you need to check with USDT, because USDT has been showing me where it is going, where BTC is going. All right, I'm gonna actually adjust this line a little bit higher where the body of this candle is. So the reason I had long Bitcoin, and I said that there's a good chance from $86,000. I'm not sure what the price was. So on Telegram group, I said that I am expecting a good support around this level, but I was not expecting it to go lower, but we were still safe. I mean, if you did not go crazy on the margin, I said that I'm expecting to get a lot of support. We went a little bit lower, but still would close the daily candle. Actually, the 4-hour candle started going higher. So once we got to this level, exactly where I said 92,100, 200-ish, we started going down heavily. And that's why I started shorting. And I still kept my short position since then. But although we still went higher, we crashed back down. So we've been pumping and dumping. You see, literally BTC has been a pumping and dumping and going sideways. It's not really making any change, just liquidating longs and shorts left and right. And this time, guys, once we stabilize around here, we're gonna most likely go up to where the closed daily candle is, around 4.57%. And if you're asking where that can take BTC can easily go down to where this 4-hour candle is, almost 84,400-ish, up to wick of it. I wouldn't really expect to go too much lower, because if you really consider that how many times we have got support around this closed candle, although we went lower, we got support, we closed all the candles above and started going higher. So once we most likely do another try for BTC to go up to $93,000. Then we're gonna most likely go back down. Let me just get rid of this one. We're gonna probably see something like this. Not gonna be, of course, 100% what it's gonna look like, but this is what I think is gonna probably happen. We might not even go up to 93,000, some 93,000 even. We can start going lower. We get another support, do a pullback to this resistance level, and start going lower towards 84,400-ish. Okay, and that's gonna make sense that USDT dominance can go up to 4.457, where this closed for daily candle is. Okay, and then most likely I'm gonna get in another long position, so you might want to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, and for sure join the Telegram group. Then we're gonna probably see another try to go back to hit this white line, and I would expect that this time we're gonna probably make a newer all-time high for BTC, because as I said, we're gonna get a lot of buy orders, because as I said, every time we go back to hit this white line, if we start getting buy orders for USDT and start going lower, that's gonna pump BTC. I hope I'm not confusing you, but we're gonna get buy orders, a lot of buy orders, and it's gonna push BTC higher than $93,000. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, and I'm gonna tell you guys that still we are stuck around the last resistance of all-time high of previous bull market for total market cap. I would say worst scenario, we're gonna probably start going down, because I am expecting BTC and a lot of altcoins are gonna pull back with BTC to lower, get a little bit more support, and start going higher. And hopefully we're gonna break it this time. And a lot of, I said it for you, total 3, I said that there's a good resistance around this wave that we had. As you guys see, we broke out a long time ago, and I said once we break above this level, I'm going to be so bullish, and you guys see how we rallied very fast and very sharp up to this level. As you see, we can still start pulling back and try to break it this time. Okay, so everything makes sense so far. And if you want to look at Ethereum BTC pair, as I said, we went for a rally because I saw a lot of support for this yellow level, the middle one. We started going higher, but as I said, the lowest point of base rally, this level would be my best target for Ethereum. Then we're gonna see Ethereum hopefully overperforming or outperforming BTC, and we're gonna most likely get to this level where I have been showing you guys every time we have sharp drop like this, do a pullback and start going zigzag lower, we can still go back up to touch this level and start going lower again. So that's why this is what I'm thinking that's gonna probably happen for Ethereum BTC pair. Okay, so if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and watch my previous videos. I came back from vacation finally after like 5 days, but I am expecting BTC to start pulling back very soon. So go ahead and subscribe, and so you can be updated with this channel, with everything that I'm been saying. Share this video with your valuable friends, because you want to let them know what is happening with USDT and how every time in this channel we're talking about facts. Although we are bullish overall, but it's still, I am letting you guys know that we can see a lot of ups and downs, pumps and dumps for BTC, and we're gonna probably see it's gonna impact altcoins short term. But eventually, as I said, for BTC dominance, there is no way that I'm gonna expect BTC dominance that go above maybe, I don't know, 63, 64, maximum 65 would be a sharp hit, maybe up to this level, and then start going lower. That would be the max I would expect, and then we're gonna see huge altcoin rally in this bull market, and that's where we're gonna make a lot of money. So you want to make sure that you're going to be prepared for that, but short term you're going to probably see your portfolio going down a little bit. Okay, so let's be patient. None of these are financial advice. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video for sure, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.